Alibaba is down by about 3.6% in the pre-market hours this morning. There are two factors that is dragging the stock down. Let's see what's going on. Number one, there's a fine. My bank, which is backed by Ant Financial or Alibaba themselves, was fined for violating some credit scoring management rules in China. Not a big fine of only $3.5 million, considering what Alibaba has gone through in the past few months. But this is the bigger news. This was filed back on Friday, 2 days ago, where Alibaba registered an additional 1 billion American depository shares. People are assuming this came from one of their biggest investors, which is SoftBank. And SoftBank is that initial investor who is now selling, and that gives out some kind of uncertainty with what the company is going into. But this is not a sale of any stock. There's no share sales or dilution going on yet. This is just converting some of the shares into American depository shares, which will then allow the company or the investor to sell them out in the market. Now, just to give a little bit of history of SoftBank, SoftBank is that first investor which came into Alibaba back in 2000. The legend has it that Jack Ma that day did not even have a presentation ready for the CEO of SoftBank back then, but he bought into the vision of what Alibaba or Jack Ma saw into it. Now, this morning, you can see SoftBank, there's a little bit of divergence here. You can see it's been following because Alibaba is one of their biggest section of the portfolio of SoftBank. They own about 25% of Alibaba, so a big chunk of Alibaba. And with the investment that's going on, Alibaba is dragging the price of SoftBank down as well. Along with Didi and all this shenanigans that happened in China, SoftBank had been taking a beating down. But recently, you can see in the past 2 days, there was a divergence where SoftBank can now be seen trading upwards. And SoftBank is traded on the OTC market. It's a Japanese company. And you can see how they are trading up compared to Alibaba going down this morning. So that's where the SoftBank story is coming into play. But again, this is not a sale yet. This is just on speculation that things might happen where SoftBank would jump the ship out of Alibaba. With that, take care, stay safe. Bye-bye.